he was so angry that he punched your car.
Ooh.
Put your hand down, I'm done.
Nah. Moving. No moving.
He went inside and he said,
Rick! No, don't move. Hi, Joe. Can you smile? No, that one on? Still moving. You can take a video.
I'm doing that.
Can you smile? You smile for Daddy?
I did that.
Say hi. Yay! Okay, that's probably hot. You want to take it off, or you want to walk around for a little bit? I don't know that
Okay.
you should take it off. What time is trick-or-treating?
Go outside.
Whenever. She hasn't
We
eaten
take
anything
that
since she
off.
got up from her nap, though. So there's a dinner factor in here as well. I think you need some shoes. Some shoes? These shoes? Want to put them on? You gotta put shoes on if we're gonna go outside. I'm right here. I take your paw. Here, I take your flipper. Ready? Flipper. Hello. Hi. Bye. Do you like a scarf for your penguin? You know,
Papa.
it's cold down there. Why don't you do shoes first? Scarf? That might be too hot. But it's cute.